So interesting. Date for the fall.
Thank you. Hello you guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a fall morning in my life in New York City vlog. I am so excited to be back in New York. I came here for the first time as an adult last fall. I had the best time. I have like reminisced on that trip all year and I just decided to come back for the week and spend some time here catching up with old friends and just having a little bit of me time, because on this USA trip I have been so busy in all the best way possible, but I just have needed like a little bit of me time, and that's what I'm doing here this week. Yesterday was my first day here and I actually stayed inside pretty much all day working. I didn't really get out much, so today really feels like my first, you know, full fun day here. So this morning I went and I got my workout in. I went to Pure Barre right over by Central Park and it was so lovely. I had like a really nice early morning workout, got to meet some new people there. I always just feel so good after doing a workout in the morning. Then after I grabbed a coffee and I just really enjoyed like sipping that, strolling through Central Park. It was super nice. And now I'm back. If you guys are wondering where I'm staying with one of my old friends from middle school. They are super sweet for letting me stay here. They're actually out of town this week, so it's just me here. But yeah, hi, good morning. I'm so excited to spend the first few hours of the day with you. I just got out of the shower. I'm feeling so fresh and clean. And now we are going to get started with some skincare. My biggest skincare goals have definitely been centered around brightening lately. I feel like over this past summer, I did get a little bit of sun damage, but because of that, I've just been trying to counteract the damage by using products that are helping with, like, you know, brightening and fading like sunspots. I'm gonna do my skincare now, and while I do, I'm going to show you guys some of my current favorite products that you should definitely try if you're looking for things to help with, you know, anti-wrinkle, sunspots, anti-aging, or dealing like with post-acne scars. These products are definitely going to help you. I honestly don't even mind getting pimples that much. For me, what's really annoying is like the aftercare, you know, when you're trying to like fade out those red marks, and the products I'm about to show you are all really going to help with all those. All right, so starting off with cleanser. I already cleansed in the shower, but the cleanser I've been using on my whole America trip for the past like 5 weeks is this one by Tiam. I am a recent new fan of this brand. This is their Snail and Azaline Low pH Cleanser. I love using a mildly acidic cleanser just like this one. Benefits of using a cleanser like this one would include like calming, pH balancing, comforting to your skin, and something that's not going to irritate it. I love this cleanser so much because it does not leave the skin feeling uncomfortable and tight. This is one of the ones that actually leaves your skin feeling quite moist after you use it. It's probably because it's made with snail secretion filtrate, which is pretty much snail mucin. I'm sure you guys have heard of snail mucin before. Using a cleanser with snail mucin is a really good way to introduce the ingredient into your skincare. The cleanser also includes ingredients that are going to help reduce redness in the winter, like these colder months coming up. My skin, especially my nose, tends to get really red all throughout the day. I have to show you guys, it has the neatest consistency. I mean, what else would you expect from snail mucin? But have you ever seen a cleanser so interesting? I mean, look at that. Water, wow. so beautiful. So yes, if you've been thinking about trying snail mucin, this is your sign. I'm so glad I have finally gotten the chance to give Tiam a try. They're definitely worth the hype. Now that our face is washed, it's time to put some essence on. I don't know about you guys, but I love that feeling of just like slapping on the first product. And I actually already applied a little bit of this because I just couldn't wait. This is the MIGUHARA Anti-Wrinkle First Essence, and I am absolutely obsessed with this. You guys, you have to try this. It's like my new favorite anti-wrinkle toner. I feel like even from only a month, when I look in the mirror, I can actually see a pretty good difference in the appearance of my sunspots. This contains Rosa Damascena flower water. It basically does a really good job at boosting antioxidant levels within your skin. This feels so incredibly refreshing on the skin. It just feels so good, like when you can finally put that product on. I've been using this not only at morning, but also at the nighttime, and you can also use this in a variety of ways. So obviously, like right now I'm doing more of like a layering effect, but also I love to apply this onto toner pads. It keeps your face super, super hydrated, which is great if you're gonna go ahead and go in and give yourself like a nice little skin massage after. Bit more. Feels literally so hydrating, which is exactly what I need. It was a chilly morning today, so my skin is feeling a little bit more chapped than usual. This product feels very luxury on the skin. I feel like that's one of the best ways for me to describe it. And I think it also has like somewhat of the cooling effect. Maybe the rose water has that inside of it, but when I apply it, it literally gives my skin a nice cooling sensation, which I love. I also love the size of this bottle. It's like the perfect size of an essence. I personally don't like when they're like super, super giant or way too small. So it's like a perfect size. From the MIGUHARA Essence, I've also really been loving their serums. I brought both of them on my trip just because I like to kind of interchange them between morning and night. I'm gonna go with their Ultra Whitening Ampoule. Obsessed with this, you guys. MIGUHARA's Ultra Whitening Ampoule has been a complete lifesaver post-summer. As I told you guys, I'm really trying to work on my sunspots. This serum is super, super effective for people that are looking to fade out like freckles, improve hydration levels, and also evening out like rough skin or texture. This is a really, really good product for that. Their cosmetics actually contain plant extracts instead of purified water, which just makes them that much better than a lot of other skincare. So the formula of this ampoule actually contains chamomile water, which a lot of people like to say it's like the doctor of all plants. It also contains our favorite niacinamide, which is awesome for whitening. I actually really do love my freckles. The older I've gotten, the more I've grown to like them. So I'm not encouraging completely getting rid of them, but for me, what happens is a lot of my freckles will form in clusters and it just makes my skin look really, really damaged. So for me, I try to fade out the ones that are willing to be faded. And also, this ampoule sits beautifully under makeup. When I do my makeup later today, you guys will see it's gonna have like the most glowing and brightening effect because of this ampoule. Also, I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but this is an ampoule that mixes really, really good into a makeup base. So you can literally mix this into foundation. It will also give your skin that glowing effect while also doing a really good job at giving you brightening effects. Huge shout out to the chamomile flower water that's in this. I know that my skin loves it so much. It's also hypoallergenic tested, so you don't have to worry about it irritating your skin. So if you're looking for a really good soothing ampoule, give this a try. Really, really good for fading out sunspots and improving like elasticity. My skin feels so strong. All right, last thing I'm doing for skincare is just some sun cream. I'm skipping moisturizer just because the serum and the essence are so hydrating that I really don't need a moisturizer. Just the sun cream. As I said earlier, I'm gonna share with you guys some other products I've really been loving for brightening and anti-aging effects, because that is like my biggest skincare concern right now. So first we have another really good product from Tiam. This product is like liquid gold for your skin. So this is their Vita B3 Source Serum, and it's designed to create an even skin look. So if you suffer with like patches of dullness, patches that are more bright than others, using something like this is going to help even out your whole skin tone. And if you've recently had like a really bad breakout or some kind of cyst on your face, using a product like this actually contains allantoin, which is really good with promoting wound healing. So if you're looking for a product that's going to help kind of like speed up that wound recovery process when you get a pimple, use this serum. It has a 2-in-1 formula, which helps create a more radiant complexion. It's going to reduce excessive sebum production, as well as addresses breakouts. Excessive sebum was actually one of the causes of my really bad acne that I had a couple of years ago, and I really wish I would have had a product like this. I love how easy all of Tiam's products are to apply, especially this, and I really like that it doesn't pill, which means you can wear this under makeup. It is under makeup approved by Adrienne. The tip I have for using this is just make sure when you first get it, do a little patch test, whether it's on like your hand or you could do it like maybe like somewhere on your forehead, and just see how your skin reacts to it. Because of the high concentration of niacinamide, you just want to make sure your skin doesn't face any problems or reactions. When I first got this, I started using it just like 2 times a week at first, and then I gradually moved it up, and now I have been using it around like 3 times, 4 times a week. But yeah, dullness or uneven skin tone, if those are some of your skin concerns, try this one out. Especially for me, like during the winter, I feel like because I'm so sun deprived, my skin just naturally gets so much more dull. So I will definitely be reaching for this a ton over the next couple of seasons. Okay, the last product I have from Tiam that I wanted to recommend to you guys is their Vitamin C Surprise Serum. When I heard about this product, I was so intrigued just by the name. This one is actually created with 2 kinds of vitamin C, hence the name. So it contains a high content of pure vitamin C, which is really going to help improve pigmentation. Vitamin C is like one of the main ingredients that dermatologists recommend you reach for if you want to improve pigmentation. So this has 22% vitamin C and 2% pure vitamin C derivative. I really love how this absorbs very smoothly and like timely into the skin. Like some vitamin C's will like literally just like sit on top of your face and they're really hard to work with, but I love how easy this one is to use. I've always had kind of like a love-hate relationship with stronger vitamin C serums like this one, just because of the whole oxidizing issue. But this one actually has like some special effects to it, which makes the oxidizing not as big of a problem, which we love. I am so obsessed with the texture of this serum. The high viscosity in this serum literally just feels so nourishing on your skin. This reminds me of like a product that would be used on me if I were to go get a facial. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it just feels so incredibly nourishing, and I feel like this is one of those products that you can like instantly start feeling the effects of as soon as you apply it. I had actually heard quite a few people talking about this on social media, so I was like curious to see what the hype was about, but I love this. I love how it feels on the skin. I'm really excited to see the continued results from using this. Definitely recommend this if you're looking for a basic, simple, yet effective vitamin C serum to help with pigmentation. All right, final product that I wanted to show you in this video. This is an ampoule that is super great to help with the goals that I have right now with my skin as far as anti-aging goes. This is another one by MIGUHARA, and this is their anti-wrinkle effect ampoule. I had heard so much about this product. I want to say this is like one of their most popular items. I'm so glad I finally gotten to try this, and I can definitely say it is worth the hype in my opinion. This is known to aid with anti-wrinkling, improving skin elasticity, and overall giving you that very like clean skin effect, which is something I love. This product is also known to help supply moisture into the skin. I love a good hydrating ampoule just because it sets you up for not only like glowing skin all throughout the day, but when you wake up like the next morning after using a product like this, you literally feel amazing. And then more ingredients in this product are known to not only help against aging, but with like sagging. You guys know I love the lifted effects. I literally do gua sha on my skin 2 times a day for like a lifted snatched chin or cheek effect. So to use a product like this with my gua sha, it's like I'm getting 1+1 because it's like double the lifting effects. So clearly this is definitely one of my new favorite anti-aging skincare products. Love how luxe MIGUHARA's whole line is. Like, everything looks so lovely. I would give this to a gift to a family member or a friend. All right, so yes, that is my little skincare update for the fall. If you're trying to improve pigmentation, wrinkling, fade out some of those sunspots from summer, give these a try. I'm gonna have the links to all of them down in the description. These are all on a times deal. You're gonna get them for a whole lot cheaper right now when you use my link down in the description. And as always, I just want to thank you guys for trusting me with skincare recommendations. I love when I open up DMs from you on Instagram and you end up, you know, grabbing one of the items that I recommend. You get good results from it. It just warms my heart. And I hope you guys end up liking the results you get from these products. Okay, so happy I made overnight oats last night. These are the quickest, easiest, like yummiest breakfast. I added peanut butter, chia seeds, and banana to these ones, and it just looks so good. Breakfast by myself, and I wanted to talk about overcoming the fear of eating out alone, because when I started living in Korea, it took me like 3 years to be able to go out to eat by myself, but now I'm good anywhere. I think you have to just not care. You can't care. Something that helps a lot for me are sunglasses, hats, and headphones, but it actually is also nice to be able to like look around and see everything and just people watch, which is what I spent this entire breakfast doing. And I'm just feeling so good. It feels so nice. Honestly, it's a little bit warm. I could take off my jacket when I walk back, I think.
요준이 생각에만 나 It's the sun To say that I've been feeling alive 난 아니야 Staying up and out of the chance 네가 필요 없다고 그 잔인한 거짓말 Now I'm sprung Running through my head 네 옆에 말해줘 시간 없다고 헐 때가 가라고 You ain't even gotta tell me twice So you're crazy Funny how you in my life 그래 이제 궁금하지 않아 우리 미래 Think about her strip down 우리 이생 Driving on the
It is now pretty much like early afternoon. It's definitely past like the 1 o'clock mark. So we're gonna go ahead and close the video out here. I had such a lovely morning with you. Literally like getting our workout on, going for a stroll, having such a good breakfast. That breakfast vibe was so good. I'm gonna remember that for such a long time. It was just like such a beautiful area. Now I'm going to take a rest. I've been like go for literally weeks now, and I think I'm just gonna take the rest of the afternoon to rest until I have my plans later tonight. So I'm feeling good. We've had such a productive morning together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to remind you the skincare that I showed earlier. Literally absolutely obsessed with it. I don't know if you can see on the camera, like the glow from using those serums lately has been amazing. And you guys know, like, I only recommend products on my channel that I genuinely love, and I hope any of you guys that end up getting them like them. And as always, thank you so much for all the support on my channel. You guys are the best ever. But that's about it for this video. I love you guys so much. I hope all of you have an amazing week and are staying safe wherever you are in the world right now. I'll see you guys very soon in my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.